UpFrame AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market, and in this video, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this software. If you're looking to leverage the power of AI to take your business or personal projects to the next level, stick around until the end because I'm going to give you a comprehensive review on UpFrame AI and why it's quickly becoming a game changer. First things first, if you're curious about UpFrame AI, you can actually try it for completely free. You'll find the link below, so don't miss out on this opportunity to explore it for yourself. Now, let's dive into the meat of this review. UpFrame AI is designed with creators, marketers, and digital enthusiasts in mind. It promises to simplify workflows, automate tasks, and enhance productivity, all while providing deep insights into your data. Right out of the gate, it's clear that this is a tool that's built to save time while boosting results. Whether you're creating content, analyzing marketing data, or automating routine tasks, UpFrame AI offers a streamlined experience that allows you to focus on what matters most. One of the key standout features of UpFrame AI is its ability to generate actionable insights in real time. This feature allows users to analyze massive amounts of data, understand trends, and make decisions based on the most current information available. As a digital marketer myself, this is a game changer. Real-time data can be the difference between hitting a campaign goal or missing the mark, and UpFrame AI delivers this power with an easy-to-use interface. The second thing you need to know is that UpFrame AI makes automation a breeze. Whether you're automating marketing workflows, social media posting, or email campaigns, this software integrates with a wide range of platforms to keep everything working seamlessly together. It's no surprise that UpFrame AI is quickly becoming a must-have tool for those who need more efficiency in their daily tasks. Next, let's talk about ease of use. For a software with such advanced capabilities, UpFrame AI does an excellent job of staying user-friendly. If you're someone who's not super tech-savvy but still wants to harness the power of AI, you'll appreciate how intuitive the interface is. The learning curve is minimal, and you can start seeing results quickly. A major point that many users have highlighted is the tool's versatility. It's not just for one niche or type of business. Whether you're an e-commerce entrepreneur, a marketer, or even a content creator, UpFrame AI adapts to your needs. This versatility makes it a perfect solution for those looking for an all-in-one tool to simplify their processes and enhance their results. Another crucial feature of UpFrame AI is its built-in collaboration tools. If you work with a team, you'll love how easy it is to share insights, assign tasks, and track progress. These collaboration features are often underappreciated in AI tools, but they're incredibly important when trying to keep projects running smoothly with multiple people involved. UpFrame AI is also highly customizable. It lets you set parameters that align with your specific goals and preferences, which means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all approach. This level of customization allows users to fine-tune the software to meet their exact needs. Finally, the pricing model is something you'll want to know about. While there are paid plans that offer more advanced features, the free version is robust enough to provide a solid taste of what UpFrame AI can do. And for anyone considering upgrading, the paid options are well worth it if you're serious about scaling your business. Now, I've tried over 1,000 AI tools in my time, and UpFrame AI definitely stands out. It's one of those rare tools that's powerful, easy to use, and adaptable to different workflows and industries. I've linked my recommended AI software in the description below, so after you've tried UpFrame AI, make sure to check out some of the other tools that I've found valuable in my digital marketing career. So, is UpFrame AI worth your time? Absolutely. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or a content creator, this tool brings value. Again, don't forget to grab your free trial through the first link below to see how it can change your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the other AI tools I've recommended in the description.